Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off touch interactions vibration on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on sounds and vibration. Next, we go down and tap on System Sound or Vibration Control. Then you go down to the Vibration section and tap on Touch Interactions. Now tap on the toggle button to switch it off, switch it on. Now once it is switched off, when you touch on certain things on your phone, it will not vibrate anymore, such as tapping on the home button, recent key, back key, or you open up an app. Normally it will vibrate gently to give you a feedback that you have successfully touched on that particular icon or item or function. And that's it. That's how you can turn it on or off. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.